Welcome. A core feature of the YOUnite data unification platform is federated data access. This is another way that YOUnite gives a single pane view into an enterprise's data tier. YOUnite does not store data, but rather maintains references to where it is stored, and can assemble the data in near real time. There are several ways to make federated data access requests with YOUnite. For this demo, we'll show JDBC and GraphQL API federated data access. The YOUnite JDBC driver is a read-only driver that is capable of providing a single database connection across the entire data tier while applying data governance to all database requests. First, we'll configure the YOUnite JDBC driver. For this demo, we'll use the dbeaver database tool. After downloading the latest YOUnite JDBC driver, we'll select dbeaver's driver manager from the database pulldown. Then, enter YOUnite as the driver name. From the Libraries tab, we'll add the YOUnite JDBC driver we just downloaded. Then select New, and enter YOUnite as the driver name. Now let's make a JDBC connection to our enterprise data tier. We will make a database connection, but instead of connecting to a database, we will connect to YOUnite. First, we need to get an access token authentication for the zone we are operating under. In this case, we are the DGS or Data Governance Steward in the Asia zone. In dbeaver, we'll select the Main tab and paste the access token into the password field. We'll add the connection details, then test our connection. Now we can access the data tier with the YOUnite JDBC driver. If we have permission, we can visualize the internal YOUnite metadata, and we can view the federated data. This data does not reside in YOUnite, but is assembled in near real time. Note that the governance and database preferences are applied to assemble the data. An important YOUnite feature that is worth highlighting is that all of these data access requests are logged and provide a single pane data access view across the entire enterprise data tier. Now let's look at federated data access with GraphQL. GraphQL is a query language for APIs and a runtime for fulfilling queries with your existing data. Like the YOUnite JDBC driver, the YOUnite API is capable of providing a single endpoint that connects across the entire data tier while applying data governance to all requests. We can make standard REST API requests to retrieve data using Lucene search or use the GraphQL endpoint. For this demo, we'll use Postman to make GraphQL API requests. Once we get our access token, we can make requests for YOUnite metadata and data access across the data tier with GraphQL. This first PostGetDomains example is a simple request to get YOUnite metadata. In this example, we get a list of data domains. The PostGetDRs and PostGetDRs with query requests are examples of accessing data across your entire data tier. The second example implements a query for specific data records. Just like the YOUnite JDBC driver, API requests are logged and have governance and preferences applied to them. In this quick example, you can see the power of being able to make federated data access requests across your entire data tier using the YOUnite JDBC driver and GraphQL API. For more information, contact sales@younite.us.